The 300 Blackout EOTECH, the optic I never thought I would own. I got a really good deal on it. I bought it from Highsmith Guns in Greenfield. Here it is as a combo. I don't think it was originally a combo. I bought it used. I think somebody bought the magnifier, then bought the optic separate. But here it is. It says 300 Blackout, hugely on the side, and on the top there, it's got that that extreme camera view. It's got things on one side subsonic, one side supersonic, 50 yards, 150, 100, 300. So here's the thing about this optic. I like it. It works good. It's kind of unnecessary, to be real honest. Like I said, it was a good deal used, but it's an EOTech. Like if I am cursed with never being able to find a 1-dot EOTech. I'm a cheap ass with optics. Like I just am. I can't buy this brand new for $1,200. So you could just buy a 1 and guess, because you know the difference when you're looking at it is that far. So it's like you could just aim at the head and shoot in the dick, I guess. But it's cool. I mean, I like it. It's cool that it says my kids are up. Don't ever have kids. Just kidding. All right. You know, it is cool. The magnifier is really cool. I love that. It looks good on there. But you know, it does its job. It's built by EOTech, obviously, so it's quality. But just for anybody that wanted to see what it looks like on a an SBR. Oh, Jack's got the Corona. There it is. But again, you know, you could just get a normal EOTech with 1 dot if you wanted to, and probably hold resale value, because again, you know, it was a smoking deal where somebody tried to sell it and nobody bought it. So I got it for a really good deal. Well, there it is, a 300 Blackout EOTech. It's probably my favorite gun.